Tenna's construction background factored in very strongly. It was recommended by Procore as a piece of software that integrates with their project management software, and so we were looking to use an already established partner of the software we were using already.
So the Procore integration, we use it to pass our equipment utilization into our daily log in Procore. And for us, that's a huge time savings for our superintendents in the field. They don't have to spend the time writing down what equipment was on site and how long it was on site. That information is automatically captured in Tenna using a geofence and passed into Procore. It gives us the ability to go back and recreate bills, recreate scenarios, solve billing issues with clients just based off of our data. We did a calculation based off of information that we were able to pull from Tenna that showed us that we would save over $1 million a year in fuel just by relocating 20 miles closer to our projects. But we were only able to grab that data and make use of it because of Tenna.
Some of the pain points we were looking to solve was to have an efficient maintenance program. We had no real records of what was being maintained when.
Not only that, but just helping to organize the shop and run it as a full-blown shop. We were able to scale to 3 mechanics because of the Tenna system.
When I was a driver, the maintenance feature was really helpful. Being able to take pictures and explicitly text what's wrong. It's helpful for you because you're describing the issue without having to make a phone call and somebody don't understand exactly what you're saying, and then you have pictures to back up.
Drastically increases confidence of the people out in the field in the company itself. When they can submit that maintenance request, then see it get handled and fixed right away, they feel like their voices and their concerns are being heard and responded to. It just really helps with the reliability of keeping things up in the field, because as soon as there's a problem, the guys in the field can report it and it gets addressed rather than a crisis is allowed to linger until the piece of equipment goes down for a long period of time.
Just about 20% of our drivers were having issues maintaining a good driver scorecard when we first implemented Tenna. What we saw after we started to let them know that their driver scorecard was low was a drastic improvement, and I'd say we have nobody with an unsatisfactory score at this point in time.
The DVR, I liked it because you can put a tractor and a trailer, but you can separate it. So you have the option of doing 1 or 2 combinations.
The Tenna inspections feature is bringing value to our company because we never had a formal inspection process. It's provided much greater visibility into the condition of your fleet. We are catching maintenance issues a lot earlier. Our scheduling with our maintenance department is a lot better because of it. So it just allows for greater communication around the maintenance and around the organization and keeping all this stuff moving at once. And it's been a huge asset to the company.
In order to continue to grow and scale up, we needed to have a system that could scale up with us. And so Tenna seemed to be that system.
Construction is a unique industry. It's a little bit slower, the industry itself, to adapt technology. And I think Tenna has taken a great approach as far as great user experience to get people to buy into the platform. Also, it has so many features that will allow it to accommodate future growth.